This is my #1 trick to overcoming my fear of public speaking. In another video, I showed you how you could use a yoga breathing technique to transmute the energy of nervousness into excitement. Another way you can do this is actually through movement. The great Tony Robbins actually jumps on a trampoline before he gets up on stage. You can do something like that. You can jump on a trampoline, you can dance, you can do jumping jacks, you can jiggle, whatever it is, move your body. And there's scientific evidence behind this. When we get stressed, the pH balance in our bodies actually shifts. And the only way to flush that pH and bring it back to a neutral is to use something called our lymphatic system. And our lymphatic system only triggers when we are moving. So if you're starting to get stressed, bounce around, jiggle, breathe, and overcome your fear of public speaking. That was your 60-second public speaking.